Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. You want to know how to be more productive? We all do, right? But did you know that there are certain surprising facts about productivity that can actually hinder your progress? I know we love to think of ourselves as these super women or superheroes who can do a lot of things at once, but our brains aren't actually wired for it. Research has shown that multitasking actually reduces productivity by up to 40%. Our brains are not able to focus on more than one task at a time without experiencing some sort of decline in focus and/or performance. We're always connected to our devices, whether it's our phone, laptop, or smartwatch. But this constant connectivity can actually be harmful to our productivity. The constant notifications and distractions can make it difficult to focus on the task at hand. It also leads to a phenomenon known as tech neck, which can cause physical discomfort and even injury. To combat this, it's important to disconnect from your devices regularly. Take a few minutes each day to turn off your notifications and focus on something else. This could be a good time to meditate, stretch, or just relax. Disconnecting from your devices will help you to focus better when you're reworking and prevent you from developing tech neck. So instead of trying to do everything at once, it's better to focus on one thing at a time and do it well. If you're feeling hungry, thirsty, or tired, it's important to listen to your body and take care of yourself. Trying to push through when you're uncomfortable will only lead to decreased productivity. Hunger and thirst can make it difficult to focus, and being tired can lead to mistakes. So take a break, eat, drink, and rest when you need to. Your body will thank you, and so will your productivity. Prioritize your tasks and take them one at a time. You'll get more done and make fewer mistakes. I hope this video has been helpful and that you will use these facts to improve your own productivity. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Until next time, happy producing. Here are 5 surprising facts about productivity you never knew you needed. Let's get started. But this can actually be counterproductive. Research has shown that it takes about 23 minutes to get into the flow of a task. We've all been told that we should work hard and take breaks. But recent research has shown that taking breaks can actually improve focus and productivity. In fact, some studies have shown that taking a break can actually increase productivity by up to 50%. When we take a break, our brains have a chance to rest and recharge. This allows us to come back to our work refreshed and able to focus better. It also gives us a chance to clear our heads and think more creatively. So don't feel guilty about taking a break. It's actually good for you and your productivity. So if you keep stopping to do little things, you're constantly disrupting your flow and wasting time. Instead, it's better to group similar tasks together and tackle them in one go. For example, instead of stopping to answer an email that takes 2 minutes, wait until you have a few emails to answer and do them all at once. Number 1. Multitasking doesn't actually improve productivity. Number 2. The 2-minute rule is a myth. The 2-minute rule states that if something takes less than 2 minutes to do, get it done right away. Number 3. Taking breaks actually improves focus and productivity. Number 4. Working in a state of constant connectivity is harmful. Number 5. Ignoring your gut will kill your productivity. So there you have it, 5 surprising facts about productivity you never knew you needed.